welcome back to Swarmagine 2.0. Today we're going to be doing another cooking video. Last time we did bubble potato pillars, but I got a sweet tooth today. So we're going to try making homemade cake pops. I've never done this before, so it's going to be wild. But here's what you're going to need. I'm getting sprinkles later, so that you're going to need a, what do you call it again? Oh yeah, chocolate bar. I'm keeping that in the fridge because it makes me nice and cold. We got some all-purpose flour. My mom's holding it. Then we need some
baking soda.
We need some baking soda. Then we need some cocoa powder, of course, to get that little chocolatey kick. Then baking powder. Now I'm just gonna say, if you want to do birthday cake pop, a vanilla cake pop, you do you. Now we need some pure vanilla extract, some sugar,
And some milk.
and some milk, which we are gonna get later. And in my bowl right here, I don't want to show it because it's just gonna spill, but like I have some melted butter. Thank you, Mom, for showing me that is melted butter. Right there. I'm gonna go get a spoon and we'll be right back.
One spoon of flour.
Alright, first we're gonna add 1 spoon of flour. Mama, do add good. Alright, we're adding 1 spoon of flour. My mom
Please
just
do
did it.
Mix it.
I'm gonna mix that up. You guys cannot see me, and I need to get it over here. You know what? I have an idea. I'll just do it like this, guys. Can you guys see me? All right. I'm gonna mix the egg. Sorry, I'm gonna mix the melted butter and all-purpose flour, and now I'm mixing 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for this delicious mug cake. It already looks like a bog. And now we also obviously need to add some sugar to give it that nice little sugary kick. This is a microwave cake, but I'm making it in a bowl so it'll become a little bit bigger. I think we need more of the batter. But now we're gonna add some baking soda.
Pinch of.
And then a tiny pinch of baking powder. Alright, now we're gonna keep mixing. We should have a lot in our pan. Mine is like a darkish brown color, as you can see that. I'm just gonna keep mixing for a minute. And then my mom's gonna add some milk. Straight out of the can. No measurements, just add a little bit of milk. And we're gonna whisk it up. Just stir it.
There are measurements like 1 spoon of flour, 1 spoon of cocoa powder, 1 spoon of sugar, little bit pinch of.
1 second, guys. I'm gonna go get a spoon. You can watch my mom
Baking
put in the
powder.
vanilla extract. My mom's not gonna put in vanilla extract. I'm getting a chair. Sorry. Also, don't pay attention. I forgot to mention this. Subscribe! Come on, it's free. Who doesn't like free things? All right, now we got some vanilla extract in to give it that flavor of vanilla. But it's a chocolate one, so chocolate. And now we're just gonna whiskety wix. Mixity mix mix. I'm just gonna hold one side so it doesn't really like topple over. And my mom's gonna add some more cocoa powder. This time it's Nesquik. Shout out to Nesquik. Well, not really. It's not really sponsored, but like I love Nesquik. What I gotta say, it's good. Of course, if you like your Cocoa Puffs, be there. Is there Cocoa Puff powder? I wish that actually existed. Now it looks like poop, but I'm gonna call it. It looks like a. Looks pretty good. Let's try it. Let's try a little bit. You could try a little bit when you mixed it.
कसं लागतंय? कसं लागतंय ग?
थोड़ा sugar add कर. Mom's getting the sugar. Just ignore that. No, do not ignore her. She's kidding. I think that's pretty good though.
थोडं sugar.
Add some more sugar. Just get the proportions you need. If it's too dry, add some milk. If it doesn't have that much flavor, add vanilla extract. I'm adding some more sugar because it got like a little less flavor than it should. But like, if there's too much flavor, I don't know. And a little more milk to kind of smoothen it down. And a little more milk to smoothen it down. I think like half of this is liquid.
Mix the rest.
And now we're gonna mix it clearly, like my mom said. For this video. before I even made this video. Yes, us YouTubers do have eye. And also, mine is not gonna look like the cover for this. So, do not have high hopes. Well, let's have high hopes because it's my first time. So let's say, it's gonna work.
Little butter.
I add a little more butter. We're just gonna add a tiny bit of butter just to smoothen it down for the last little glaze. I feel like we're making icing right now, which is actually pretty good. Alright, we're just gonna keep mixing it, and I'm doing this with the proportions. So it's basically taking 5 minutes to do the whole process. And this is what it looks like. This one doesn't really pour out that much, so it looks like this. It's very smooth and very creamy.
थोड़ा सा दूध पाहिजे मला बघू दे
So shallow.
हे पॉप करायचं ना मग असंच बरोबर नाहीतर मग थोडंसं व्यवस्थित केलं ना
This? Yep. Sprinkles आहे का? Alright guys, last taste test. Here we go, get a bunch. It's so good, right? I made it with all-purpose flour. You can use pancake mix, wheat flour, anything. Almond flour, anything that works for you.
चमच्याचं घे
It's like the beater. Oh, it's delicious!
इथे खाली असेल
1 minute of this video is going to be partially of just me looking.
तू कुठे ठेवलेली आठवते का
We don't need it right now.
हा मग आधी तू बेक कर
Okay. And we're going to bake it in our microwave. This is a microwave cake, so
तू बघते का जरा नाही
if you want more of the batter, that makes
तू
it good.
बेक कर
I'm going to bake a little more of this. I'm going to smoothen it out, and I'm just going to bake it.
तू टाकते ना टाक टाक
Move the camera because I'm leaning it on the microwave. Sorry. Guys, you cannot see my face when I stand up. I'm sorry. I'm tall. Okay? Listen, think about it. Okay, so now we're going to microwave for this. How long should I microwave it for, Mom?
So do it for 1 minute.
We have to microwave it for 1 minute.
Then we'll check.
So 30 seconds plus 30 seconds equals 1 minute. Now we're going to click enter start. The audio is very bad, so I'm going to move a little bit. Just to move a little bit. And while we do that, we need to use the microwave for another. You're going to need sprinkles. And also, guys, someone tell me something. I really want to reach 50 subscribers and make a custom play button. For 50 subscribers, I know. And if I reach 100, which I definitely aren't, but like, please, I am going to make play buttons for other YouTubers like Eric, Mr. Beast, 50 subscriber play buttons. I'm gonna start with my friends and go a little bigger if we reach 50 subscribers. So please, hit that subscribe button. And I want to make this dream come true. Do you want to make it? Now come on.
काय झालं इथंच असायचं केकचं सगळं
I don't
नाही का ते कॉन्फिटी वगैरे मी हलवलंय
Okay.
मी वर घेतलं वर सगळं आता
नाही?
तर आता संपली नाहीये पण कुठे
Alright, so it now ended. I'm just gonna get you over here. And we'll get a mitten. There's like a staircase, so just have fun looking at something. I'm gonna go get a mitten. Unfortunately, we ran out of mittens, so now let's go check out our cake.
अजून 1 मिनिट पण लागेल तरी बघ
Mama, tu bol. It's my mom's time to shine. Mom, what are you doing?
नाही थांब ह्याच्यात नाही. We are also making it first time, so
Yeah, it's a little different, but like cakes. We actually need it to be like kind of wettish, but not like super squeamish. That's raw.
किती वेळ लागला?
1 minute. For 30 seconds, okay? We're gonna add it for another 30 seconds. Sorry for the bad audio. I am going to get you guys over here. While we do that,
मी हे बघते.
I'm gonna go get some chocolate. You guys can use cookies and cream, strawberry icing. You guys can do whatever you want. But I take it originally. So I'm just getting a good old chocolate bar. Hashtag not sponsored by Hershey. But get a chocolate bar. I'm baking chocolate. And, oh, our cake's ready. Let's go check it out. Our cake's ready, so now let's go check it out. Alright. So guys, hit that subscribe button. Sorry, last.
नाही मी करते.
That's okay, guys. You don't need sprinkles if we don't. Just dip it in chocolate and it'll still be as
नाही
good.
असणार आहे पण कुठे ते ना.
Alright, Mom, do your magic. Mama, नाही पाहिजे ग. ठीक आहे. Alright, Mom. Please test.
झालं असेल.
Please test the cake.
झालं.
Look at Mom.
आता हा गार होऊ दे जर तुला असा कडेने काढून घ्यायचा आहे त्याच्यातून तर.
Okay, I need to take it out, so we're just gonna warm it up. But we also need the microwave for another thing. So, remember when we were talking about our chocolate? We're gonna melt this. So how we do is I have to make a little cut in the middle. Let's just peel it down. Would you look at that? A nice helping of chocolate. Guys, call me psycho, but I don't want to say chocolate cake though. Shut up. Shut up, people. They can like to say chocolate cake. Ow. And no more bowls.
डिशवॉशरमध्ये असेल.
Alright, I need to go get a bowl. You can just look at this
डिशवॉशरमध्ये असेल.
creamy chocolate. Hashtag not sponsored. Mom, give us some random facts. When you get the bowl, give us some random facts.
About what?
Anything.
So, about the chocolate cake, you can make it in the cup, in the oven, or even on the gas top too, or even in the Instapot.
Right now we're gonna add our chocolate in. I like to, for some reason, break it into pieces before I put it in there. Look, there's something weird about me, and I don't know what. Would you look at that little perfect pieces? Look at that. Mom, do you call these perfect pieces? Rated out of 10. Are these perfect pieces? Mom, are these perfect pieces? Perfect. That was a yes. Now we have to microwave these, and I think I'm gonna do just I think we just need the chocolate, and then I'm just gonna add a little. Mama, what makes like this a little thicker? What makes something thicker?
Thinner करू शकतो milk घालून.
Like thicker, or hits thicker.
30 seconds.
Alright, we're just gonna now put it in 30 seconds and hope it melts.
So, हा असा मड केक झाला काय म्हणतो आपण.
Alright, तसंच पाहिजे.
तू तसं हे करणार का आता?
Ah, the balls. Plate पाहिजे आता. I need a quick talk, you're gonna need a board.
मला तर बघू दे खूप
I
झालं.
need to start microwaving the chocolate. Chocolate. I'm sorry, guys. It is not microwaving. What the? Mama, it's not microwaving.
थांब मला बघू.
Now, with your wrapper, there are a bunch of things you can do. Like, eat it. But we aren't
तुला आता
stupid,
त्याचं
so you know.
plate मध्ये गोळा करायचा का त्याचा?
हा मग मला त्याच्या चॉकलेटमध्ये डिप करायचं, मग रेफ्रिजरेट करायचं, एक स्टिक टाकायचं आणि
त्याचा गोळा करा ना आधी.
हां.
गार झाले का?
And I need a plate to do everything.
टाकू शकतो.
May I take your spot?
हो. फक्त थोडं गरम आहे.
Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit.
थोडं अजून.
Alright guys, our chocolate is ready. Mom, give him some facts. And the chocolate still did not melt. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna, guys. Yeah. Some news. Excuse me. My chocolate did not melt. I'm just gonna check it with a knife.
स्पून नी कर थोडंसं झालं.
Yeah, it works. Okay, I'm gonna now try to do it with a spoon. Yeah, that works. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Hashtag not sponsored for the last time, but like, do you stir this? My mom is so very kind to make us one bowl already, so say thank you to her. I didn't hear quite a thank you. Gotta let it settle down, just settle. Get a little cake. I'm gonna get a little cake from the batter and just check it out. It's delicious. Oh my
It's
god.
a sweet treat. Makes only once in a month.
Alright, our chocolate has been, what's the word? Oh yeah, melted. Look at that. Say thank you to my mom again. I did quite not hear a thank you enough, but okay.
Can I taste?
Oh! I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna wash it.
Swara is a super
My mom's making the cake boss,
Smart
but you guys can just make it.
chef.
I am a small chef. Thank you very much.
No, it's a hot होतं म्हणून मी केलं. It is hot.
Alright, now we need to put this on a stick. Do you have any sticks?
Yeah.
We have sticks. If you guys don't, you just put a spoon in. And we got a baby one. It's a baby.
घे तुला.
It's a baby. I love babies. I love everything baby, miniature, tiny, whatever you call it. Whatever you call miniature. We need 3. See what the color would look off on this. Pretty good.
काय द्यायचं?
Kokogi-no-ka. If we want, we could take the tiny one and just roll it up in the chocolate already. Oh my god.
आपल्याकडे कम्प्युटी किती होते नाही त्या काय ग म्हणायचं त्याला त्या किती होते आपल्याकडे ते ना ते काय वरून टाकायचं कलरफुल ते
Sprinkles.
त्या नेहमी इथं असायच्या मग कुठे तरी ठेवले आहे आणि ते आता सापडत नाही
We need 3. We need like 1 stick. We need 2 sticks, sorry. Mama.
Stick देते.
मी त्याच्यावर मनी केला ते ट्राय करायला डिप करायला पण काहीच नाही.
हा.
Never mind. You're gonna dip it in your chocolate. You're just gonna gently push it in. And same for the other one. Just dip it into chocolate. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yummy yum. And just put it in your chocolate.
तू तर डीप करायला ट्राय केला काहीच नाही झालं दे मला एक सांगते काय करायचं वा पडायला लागलं ते
Can you reshape it again?
या कदाचित इतकी मोठी स्टिक नकोय त्याला असं दाबायचं छोटी टिनी टायनी
I need the tiny stick.
आणि हे
Yeah, break it.
सर
Oh, I like that idea. My mom's got a good idea. Look at that, look at that. Just look at the chocolate. The chocolate. And then we put it on the skewer and then put it in the refrigerator.
मला वाटतं पहिले तयार करून घे आणि मग ते स्टिक घालता येतात का तर ते आता खूप डेलिकेट आहेत
Alright, watch.
देख
Now I'm gonna do the second one because she's way better at it, so I'm just gonna let her do it. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, no. Cake pop.
My mom's recipe cake pop, but I still made things, right? Look what did I make? What did I make?
आता ह्याला पहिल्यांदा फ्रीजमध्ये हे होऊ दे जरा सेटल.
Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and
थांब
lift it.
हे उरलेलं पण. आणि तू जर खाल्लं तर शर्टाला लावून देऊ नका. चल ठेव.
Put this in the refrigerator. We're gonna kill. I'm gonna put it in the way back. That way it cools down real easily.
ते त्यात पडलं पाणी वरनं ते. मी बघते. हे बटाट्यावर ठेव.
Alright guys, while we're gonna do that, I'm just gonna do something really cool. With the XX chocolate, you're supposed to put them on the stick. Because that's what the recipe said that I watched. My mom watched a different recipe.
This is Swaraj. चॉकलेटच आहे ना हे. मग तिला क्रिएटिव्ह वे. Now after 2 days, right, sir?
Like a 2-day streak.
2 years?
No, 2-day.
तुझा कॅमेरा झाला की.
Take a little piece of cake, just dip it all in.
Once you're done,
And guys, I'm going to show you my favorite snack while I do this. So where are you eating? Okay, now I do this side right here.
मी ती चांगलं तर त्याच्यात.
Hey.
पण आता डबल दही नको सरू.
Okay.
एकदा दही खाल्लं ना दिवसभरात.
Alright guys, what shall we do now? We shall clean up. That is what we shall do. So everyone at home grab a paper towel because I'm bored. Alright, perfecto. Ooh, buddy. Last time it wasn't that messy, that way I didn't have to clean up, but this got chocolatey. Sprayed out the lemon juice. Now I have to show the results, you know? I actually never thought about that. Alright guys, in the meantime, I want to show you something. 10 minutes? Okay. Well guys, I am gonna say bye for now, and I will show you the results in a short. My results definitely don't look like the picture. Alright, bye, and I'll see me in the results. They're not gonna look